Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by converting a normal lens into a macro tool. Use a 50 mm or 35 mm prime for best sharpness. Remove the mount carefully. Keep screws organized so you can reverse later. Once done, install a reversing ring or short helicoid adapter to increase extension. This changes flange distance to allow closer focusing. Make sure to clean elements as you go, because dust will ruin macro shots at high magnification. Next, build the extension stack that gives you magnification. Combine a helicoid with 1 or 2 short extension tubes to reach the target 0. 5x to 1x reproduction ratio. Check tube lengths with calipers, and make sure the helicoid threads run smoothly. Any wobble will shift focus. Once mounted, use live view and manual focus. Move the camera pair slightly rather than the subject to find critical focus, because the depth of field is razor thin at close distances. To finish, refine optical performance. Test sharpness across apertures, keeping most macro work between f/4 and f/11 to balance sharpness and depth of field. Make lighting controllable. Use diffused LED panels or a ring light, and stabilize the rig with a tripod and remote release. If you see softness, edge blur, or heavy vignetting, recheck element centering and the flange distance. Uneven extension or a loose helicoid is the usual culprit, so tighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.